Hey guys, Attorney Walter Hnot here, most viewed and subscribed to Disability Attorney in America. Now, I promised that we would be showing you the rental home's kitchen, but it's actually taken me way longer to edit all that video footage because we had to take a kitchen that you would have to put fire on and then have to just, I don't know, like wipe the earth with what was left. And then from there, we basically had to go ahead and massively rebuild the entire thing. So point being, thing I'm getting at is, it's taken me a lot longer to edit that. So I thought I would take a little mini break from it and go and edit the footage that we have for the pool. So I hope you guys are excited.